Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Shelley and this is Train Karate with Shelley. As I keep on reminding you guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider giving us a subscription and like, share, comment, give us a thumbs up so that we can be able making good content for you guys. So, we continue learning our punches, our Zuki. So, we learned the GEDAN Zuki, Zuki. Now we're going to learn the GEDAN Zuki. The reason as to why I'm doing this is showing you the upper part, the middle part, and the lower part. So remember our three teaching aspects. I explain why. I demonstrate and then we do it together. So GEDAN Zuki, the reason as to why we're doing the GEDAN Zuki, it's a punch towards the low level. Now let's do it, guys. Let me demonstrate to you. So I want you to swing your right hand, then place, hammer your left hand onto your right shoulder, and then close this gap. Slowly slide your left arm. Once you get your wrist, retract your right arm and strike with your left hand. That. You see, I retracted my right hand and I punched with my left arm. Let's do it again. So from there, close the gap. Yes. Slide once you get to the wrist, retract and strike. Yes. Nice. From there, we go. Now I want us to do it as one, as if you're doing one movement. You retract and punch at the same time. Good. Now let's do it together, guys. Swing your hand. Hammer your left. Yes. Close the gap. Then slide. Once you get your wrist, retract and punch. Good. From there, let's do it as one movement. One. From there, one. Now let's do it with the other hand. I want us to punch with the right. So we swing our left, hammer with our right, slowly slide. Once you get to the wrist, retract the left and punch with the right. You see? From there, one. From there, one. So we're punching with the left now. One, right, two, left. So let's do it simultaneously. One. So from there, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You see, once you do it with the left, you do it with the right. From my side view, as you can see, I swing my left, hammer with my right, slide and punch. Yeah, you're going to find that we are placing our hands slightly in a 45 degrees. So this side, I swing my right, hammer with my left, and punch. Remember to always swing your hip, not your whole body, but rather be guided by your hip movement. Yes? So thank you guys for learning with me. Thank you for keeping it Train Karate with Shelley. And hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Like, share, leave us a comment, and let's meet in our next video. Dama arigato.